Welcome to the Relationship Dial, your guide to healing. The blueprint for heartbreak is pretty standard, right? Cry, delete the photos, eat ice cream, try to get back out there. But what if that's all wrong? What if the way we're taught to heal actually keeps us stuck? Today we're talking about the surprising, counterintuitive, and profoundly effective ways to truly heal after your heart is broken. Real healing isn't about pretending the past didn't happen. It's not a race to get over it. It's a journey of alchemizing that pain into growth. These methods might seem strange at first, but they're designed to help you rebuild a relationship with the most important person, you. 6 surprising ways to heal. Coming up. 1. Curate a museum of us. Everything tells you to burn it all. I say don't. Instead, become the archivist of your own history. Get a box, put the photos, the letters, the concert tickets inside. Label it with the date range, put it on a high shelf. You're not erasing them. You're respectfully placing that chapter of your life in a museum, acknowledging it was real, and choosing not to live there anymore. Next, schedule your rotting time. 2. Schedule rotting time. Give yourself permission to do absolutely nothing. Literally block out 90 minutes in your calendar to rot. Stare at the ceiling, watch terrible TV, cry. By scheduling it, you contain the despair. It's not your whole life anymore. It's a scheduled appointment with your grief. And when the timer goes off, you get up and re-enter the world. Next, step into your villain era. 3. Embark on a villain era. I'm not talking about revenge. I'm talking about reclaiming your power. Create a playlist of music that makes you feel unstoppable, not sad. Get a haircut they wouldn't recognize. Wear the outfit that makes you feel like the main character. This is about soundtracking and styling your comeback. Next, the 5-year-old you test. 4. The 5-year-old you test. Your heartbroken self is loud. Let your inner child lead. Ask, what would have absolutely thrilled 5-year-old me? Was it building a giant Lego set? Eating a whole pizza? Going to the zoo? Do that. Reconnect with a version of you that found joy long before your ex was ever a concept. Next, radical acceptance with Post-its. 5. Practice radical acceptance via Post-its. This is from Dialectical Behavior Therapy, DBT. Fight the urge to resist reality. Write these truths on Post-its and stick them on your mirror. They are not coming back. This pain is temporary. I am enough on my own. It sounds harsh, but staring this truth in the face every morning is what ultimately sets you free. Finally, dopaminergic dating. Date yourself. 6. Dopaminergic dating. Date yourself. Your brain is craving the dopamine hit it got from your partner. So, give it a new, healthy source. Book a ticket to a concert for one. Make a reservation at that fancy restaurant for one. Take a solo day trip. Prove to your own brain that you are a source of exciting novel experiences. Here's the real surprise. You will not do these perfectly. Some days you'll rot for 3 hours. Some days you'll look at the Post-it and scream. That's okay. Healing is a spiral, not a line. You will circle back to pain, but each time you do, you'll be a little stronger. The goal is progress, not perfection. Heartbreak isn't a flaw in your life story, it's a plot device. It shatters you open, and in that broken space, you have a choice. To put the pieces back together exactly as they were, or to create a new, more interesting mosaic. These surprising ways are your tools. Which of these surprising methods are you most willing to try? The museum or the villain era playlist? Tell me in the comments. For a free printable workbook with exercises for all 6 methods, the link is in the description. If you're ready to heal in a deeper way, subscribe. Your comeback story is waiting to be written. Thanks for watching the Relationship Dial. Subscribe for more.